Alright, let's talk. Because if you click on this video, I already know you're probably feeling a little lost when it comes to choosing a career. And guess what? You're not alone. I've been in this phase too. Wondering if I am making the right choices, second guessing my interests, and feeling overwhelmed by all the options out there. But here's the good news. You don't have to figure it all out in one day. In this video, we are going to break it down together step by step. By the end, you have a clear action plan that actually works. So let's be real. The world makes it look like we have to have everything figured out by 18, land our dream job by 22, and be financially stable by 35. But that's not just how life works. Even the most successful people that you know probably went through different career changes before they found something that fits. So if you feel behind, I need you to let go of that pressure. You're exactly where you need to be right now. The three biggest reasons we feel stuck are: number one, we are afraid of choosing wrong. Like one bad decision will ruin our entire future. Number two, we have too many interests and we don't know how to narrow them down. Number three, we don't have enough real world experience, so everything feels like a guesswork. The good news, there is a way to move forward even if you're unsure. And that's exactly what we are about to do. Before we go deeper, if you're finding this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification so you don't miss future videos. This channel is all about figuring life out together, and I would love you to be part of this journey. Instead of sitting around overthinking, let's take action. Here's a practical roadmap we can follow together. Step 1. Write down what interests you, even if it's random. No filtering, no judgment. Just write down anything that excites you. Whether it's photography, coding, business, psychology, fashion, gaming, anything. If it even sparks the little curiosity, it goes on the list. Step 2. Identify what energizes you versus what drains you. Now, go through your list and mark the things that make you feel alive versus the one that feels like a chore. Step 3. Find common pattern. Look at your energized list. Do you notice any trend? Maybe you like problem solving. Maybe you love working with people. This pattern gives you a clue about what career might fit you. Step 4. Pick 3 careers to explore. Not 1, not 5, just 3. Pick 3 career paths that match your skills and interests, and let's actually explore them. Most people stress over career decisions because they feel permanent. But what if you could try before you buy? Here's how you can do that. Take a free course or watch tutorials before diving in. Get a feel of the industry by taking any intro course. 2. Try side project or freelance gigs. If you want to try marketing, for example, run a small social media page. If you're interested in tech, build mini website. Hands-on experience tells you way more about just reading about the job. 3. Reach out to people in the industry. Message professionals on LinkedIn, join Facebook groups, or attend a networking event. Ask questions about their real experiences. 4. Intern or volunteer. If possible, shadow someone or offer your skill for free just to gain experience. Doing this for 30 days can give you more career clarity than just months of overthinking. So let's challenge ourselves to actually do it. Before we wrap up, I need to share this with you. You are not supposed to have it all figured out right now. Your 20s and even 30s are about exploration, learning, and pivoting. So instead of aiming for perfection, let's focus on growth. Think of your career like an experiment. The more you try, the more you learn, and the closer you get to the right path. Now let's talk about mistakes for a second. Because guess what? You will make mistakes. You might pick a job and hate it. You might spend months learning a skill, only to realize it's not for you. That's okay. Every misstep teaches you something valuable. The only mistake is staying stuck and refusing to try. Another important thing, surround yourself with people who are growing. If you're hanging out with people who aren't interested in improving themselves, you will start to feel like your dreams don't matter. Find a community, either online or offline, that pushes you to keep exploring. Okay, before you click away, let's make this real. I want you to drop a comment below. What's one step you are going to take this week to explore a career path? Let's hold each other accountable. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. We are figuring life out together, and I promise you, the journey gets easier when we do it as a community. If this video helps you, share it with a friend who is also trying to figure their career path. See you in the next video.